What if developers could update Figma designs directly from their code editor, VS Code, and the designers could instantly see those changes reflected as design layers? That is exactly what the new Figma MCP Server integration with VS Code enables us. In this video, we will explore how design and code can now stay in sync through a two-way workflow powered by AI agents and MCP. We will start by taking a design from Figma and generating a UI screen inside VS Code. Then we will modify the UI using a local AI agent. And finally, we will push those updates back to Figma as new design layers. This creates powerful design code feedback loop, helping the developers and designers collaborate faster than ever. Let us do a quick demo. We have VS Code open with a blank folder. From here, we will build our application using the Figma design as the source. Now moving to the Figma design, we have a small weather application design available here. This design is originally created as a mobile application, but this demo we will generate it as an Angular web application. So there may be some minor differences in UI rendering since we are converting a mobile design into a web interface. Now let us ask local Copilot agent to create the main home screen for this weather application using the Figma design URL as input. The agent starts working on the request and generating the application based on the design. Alright, the agent has completed the execution and the new web application is now ready for us to launch. Let us quickly launch the application, launching the terminal for the app launching, going for npm start. The application is now running on port 4200. If we compare the Figma design with the generated application, we can see that the screen layout, component, images, and alignment match closely with the original design. There may be a slight difference in fonts depending on what is selected or available, but overall the structure and the UI elements are accurately captured from the Figma design. Now let us go back to VS Code and take one step further and modify the application using the AI agent. Since this weather application, it would be useful to know the user's current location. So we will ask the AI agent to add an option to set the current location on the home screen. Now the local agent is start working on the existing application and implementing this new feature. The implementation now complete. Let us launch the application again using npm start. The updated application is again running on port 4200. As you can see, there is now a new option in the middle of the screen to set the current location. When we select this option, the browser asks for permission to access the device location. Once permission is granted, it captures the current location, updates the application accordingly. Now comes the interesting part. We will go back to VS Code and ask the agent to generate a new design layer in Figma based on the changes we just made in the code. In this case, we only added a set current location option. After this agent execution, this new change should reflect in our Figma design. The agent understands that it needs to update the home screen design in the Figma canvas. It is now sending the updated UI from VS Code back to Figma. You can see that it launches localhost with the Figma capture option. At the top of the screen, there is now a send to Figma option which captures the rendered UI and send it back to the design canvas. And there it is. The screen has now been sent to Figma. The agent has now provided the link to open the updated design so we can directly navigate to it. If we open the new design in Figma, we can see that the new design layer has been generated. Since we generated this application as a web application, the Figma design now reflects the web layout. If we had generated it as a mobile application, the design should have been created in a mobile layout instead. And as you can see, the new design now includes the set current location element that we added in the application, keeping the design and development perfectly in sync. The Figma MCP Server enables a true two-way workflow between Figma and VS Code. Developers can pull design context from Figma, generate the UI in code, make changes using AI agents, and push those updates back as design layers. This removes the traditional friction between design handoff and development, making collaboration between designers and developers much faster and more seamless. As AI-powered workflows continue to evolve, integration like this will play a big role in bridging the gap between design and development. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechRill for more quick demos and updates on AI-powered developer tools. See you in the next video.